guys, thank you for coming to my channel. Yeah, so let's get started. I want to show you how I got these. They're super cute, right? If I can do it, trust me, you can do it too. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's watch. So first you want to start off with individual braids. So I braided all of my hair. It looks so crazy. I look so crazy right now. But yeah, the front I kept it neat versus the back I kind of just freestyled them, just because I wanted to make sure that whichever way that I parted my hair, that the faux locks would look cute. So yeah, so whether I part it this way or whether I parted it this way, or even if I wore it down the middle, it'll look cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the back of my head, and I'm just gonna show you how I did a couple of them like in the front or whatnot, so that you can see how easy it is. All you are going to need is a crochet stick and of course your packaged hair. I'm using the free tress braid. It's the 18 inches of the bow lock. So yeah, this is what I'm using. And yeah, so I'm using it. I'm sorry, the color that I have is number 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I am tired, but I'm gonna do this because I love you guys and I want you guys to see how easy it really is. Stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as you see, I have finished all of this, and I'm going to show you how this side looks. Oh, I just pulled that out. Let me check that back in. Alright, you guys, so I only have a few left. I finished this side, so yay, you can put some jewels in it and whatnot, but I just want to show you like how I have my stick here, and of course the hair that I'm using, and with this it has like a little loop in it, so that's a plus. This is the crochet method. It's super simple, and I personally can't wear a hairstyle for more than a week. Unfortunately, I have really like severe dry scalp, and I've tried tea tree oil. I tried anything that has some sort of mint, coconut oil. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Yeah, so let's get to it. So you want to make sure this little clamp here, you have it closed, right? So when you have it closed, you want to tuck it in the braid, the root of your hair. Okay, make sure the clamp is open. So once that's open, you want to take the loop part of the crochet, the lock, and you want to tuck it in here, and you want to close the clamp and pull through. Okay, so once you pull through, you can go ahead and take this off, and then you want to go ahead and grab the lock and your braid and pull it through the loop. So once that is pulled in through the loop, you just want to pull gently and make sure that it's secure enough. So this is how it'll look. Now with these locks twist in a certain direction, so you want to make sure you follow that direction. So since my twists are twisting this way, which is the right side, I'm going to grab the lock and twist around the braid. Keep twisting and then keep twisting until I get to the bottom. But you want to make sure, especially the problem that I have with these locks is that I do have blonde in my hair, so sometimes they show through, but I don't mind that because it looks like I have highlights in it, and so I do like that. But yeah, you just keep going till you get to the bottom. And what I like to do is I like to put a little like wax, edge control gel or some sort just to hold it. So here I go. I'll grab some wax. I even use edge control just to like hold it, and you can even put some spritz if you really want to get extra with it. It doesn't bother me, but yeah, so make sure that's good. And there's that one, and as you see, like some of the blonde is showing. And so what I will do, if I don't want that, or if I feel like it's too much blonde, I'll go ahead and grab another one and I'll put it through again and wrap it. So here, I'll go ahead and do that just to show you. I'll do it again. So I'll pull it through the root. And then tuck that in. Pull it. And once again, both the lock and the other lock here. Just gonna pull that through. Alright, so tighten that up there. And then I'm going to do the same method I just told you about. If you need to unravel some of the hair just to cover some of these, you can. That's what I'm pretty much doing. I'm just trying to cover some of these blonde pieces that I'm not wanting to show. I don't want too much blonde pieces. Yeah, just go all the way to the bottom. And once you get to the bottom, you can just twist it. And there you go. So there's that. There's this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and do another one. You're going to make sure this is closed and stick it at the root. And make sure the clamp is open. So once that is open, you want to go ahead and get the loop, right? Put the loop through here, close it, pull through. See? Super easy, super cute. This is the crochet method. This is my second time doing this, so I'm getting some practice and it's getting better. And now you're just going to wrap it, the lock around your braid.
Just like this.
And when I braid my hair, I don't braid all the way down to my tips. I just kind of do it like halfway, just because it's very time consuming to braid and you don't need to do all that. You'll be okay. So yeah, so there we go. And that is it for that one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this. We're gonna go ahead and speed the process up just so that I can get this done with and do my edges. You feel me? So yeah, this is the last one. I'm just completing this. I'm double crocheting, I guess, on one, especially in the front, just because I don't want a lot of like blonde pieces seeping through my crochets, so, or my locks. So yeah, so this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges and get ready and show you how it looks. So yeah, this is it. I'm done. You can put some clips in it. Super cute, super easy. Girl, get you a glass of wine, get some hookah, do something to keep you occupied. You feel me? So yeah, I'm done. Let me get these edges, baby, because you know you can't be looking like a clown. So let's just do this. What? Woo. And I mean, it really doesn't take long. I went swimming, and so I had to wash my hair, and then not only did I have to wash my hair, but I had to dry it. Then so yeah, so here is the final look. So yeah, you can put you some clips, which I'm actually going to do. Like I said, I will show you the final look. Thank you for watching my channel, Beyas. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can see what video I have coming out next. Thank you. Bye.